On December 7, 1941, the peaceful morning in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, was shattered by the roar of Japanese aircraft. The skies were suddenly filled with the ominous whine of engines and the whistling descent of bombs. The American sailors and soldiers stationed at the naval base were caught entirely off guard. The attack was swift and devastating, with Japanese planes targeting battleships, destroyers, and aircraft with precision and ferocity. Explosions erupted as bombs struck their targets, and the sound of machine gun fire filled the air. The USS Arizona, one of the most famous casualties of the day, suffered a direct hit to its forward magazine, causing a massive explosion that tore the ship apart. The ship sank rapidly, taking over 1,000 men with it. Throughout the attack, the chaos and destruction were overwhelming. Ships were capsized, aircraft were destroyed on the ground, and the harbor was ablaze with oil fires that sent thick, black smoke into the sky. The surprise assault lasted only about 2 hours, but in that short time, the Japanese had inflicted severe damage. Over 2,400 Americans were killed, and much of the Pacific Fleet was left in ruins. The attack on Pearl Harbor was a pivotal moment in history. It led to the United States' entry into World War II, as President Franklin D. Roosevelt declared war on Japan the very next day. The event not only galvanized the American people but also marked the beginning of a broader conflict that would involve nations across the globe. Pearl Harbor became a symbol of resilience and a reminder of the dangers of complacency in the face of growing threats.